Deborah's walking the dogs. We're about to go to the casino, get something to eat. I'm not sure if that's breakfast or lunch because it's 10:30-ish, 10-ish. I'm not a breakfast person after about 9 o'clock in the morning. So I don't know what we're gonna get into. If we go to the cafe, then maybe I can have lunch and she can have breakfast if she wants. We'll see what we eat. But we're gonna go to the casino for a little bit. There's the puppy dogs. What'd you get?
I don't remember, but it was something avocado huevos rancheros.
Oh yeah, that's what it is. Look at that. Ooh. That looks good. And I just got a club sandwich. Finn, are you ready for some steak? You ready for some steak? And Finn's getting brushed.
Isn't he amazing?
Yes, he sleeps when he gets brushed too. He sleeps all the time.
Did you see him sit and stay earlier today?
Yeah.
You took a picture?
I did. He's doing good.
Yeah.
Now that we can concentrate on training.
Yeah. It's been a little bit of a crazy summer, hasn't it?
Yeah.
Are you having a good week here?
I am.
I'm glad.
It's been fun.
That's good.
You've done better at the casino than I have.
I did do good. I made a deposit at the bank today.
Ooh, we went to the bank.
We did.
She made a deposit.
Like,
I made a withdrawal. No.
Yeah. I was like, take me straight to the bank. The
Yeah.
nearest bank.
That's good. That means that. Oh, I won't say that.
What did you start? Do I even want to know
No,
what you
if
started
you-
to say?
If you have to go to the bank, you've done really well.
Yeah, I did well. So this weekend was a thank you to you. Thank you for everything this summer, and also part of your birthday. And just realized my necklace was inside. And so thank you, Jana, and thank you Isleta Casino for paying for it. That was a nice
Paid for
surprise.
my weekend. My weekend getaway.
Yeah.
Cool. You need to tell me about your t-shirt.
Oh yes, we have Jana.
Hang
and
on.
I, okay.
Okay.
Okay. Jana and I have matching T-shirts. This is from Stella's Sunset,
San Pedro,
Belize.
Belize.
My friend, oh my God,
Whoa.
Kelly. I started saying Tracy, and I'm like, no, that's California. I just had that biggest brain burp. But you met Kelly.
Yes.
My friend that is owned the vet clinic.
Right.
And we've been friends forever. And she and her husband retired to Belize and opened up a resort. And she sent us T-shirts. Oh, you can't see it.
I can't see it
She
from.
sent us T-shirts.
Yeah,
Aren't they pretty?
They are pretty.
Yeah.
Send us t-shirts that says Stella's Sunset, Belize.
Yeah.
And they retired, right?
Well, they retired, but they opened up this resort. So,
Yeah, but are they still the owners of the resort, or did they?
So far, they were talking about selling it, but they
okay.
haven't done that yet.
Okay.
So
well,
they still have time to go there, Jana. I'm just saying.
yeah, and they have a Facebook page,
Yeah.
Stella's Sunset.
And Instagram. Go
yeah,
yeah.
Instagram.
And
I follow them on Instagram.
Yeah, go check them out and tell them Deborah and Jana sent you.
Yay! I haven't worn my shirt yet,
I
but
know.
there you go.
There you go.
So I met Kelly that owns Stella's. What's the name?
It's Stella's Sunset in Belize.
So I met Kelly
Yeah, you did.
that owns Stella's Sunset.
Yeah,
In Belize?
she happened to be stateside when we were in Texas, and so we went to a Chili's. I don't remember what town, but we went.
Georgetown. Well, we were at camp. Well, I don't know because
Yeah.
we did a tour of Texas. So
Yeah, I don't remember where it was, but she came and met us and had lunch with us at Chili's. So that was so fun
it was
for y'all to get to meet each other and me to get to see her because I hadn't seen her since they left for Belize. That was I think you met her in 21, I think.
Yeah,
Yeah.
21 or 22, and then We still need to go there.
I'd love to. Yeah, she was like, y'all come, just get there and pay for your food when you're there.
How
But
long
the lodging's on me. And we're like, all right. And we still hadn't made it.
Oh, we have these.
Yeah. It's like, what do we do with our dogs in the meantime?
Yeah.
So,
Oh, well.
yeah.
Have to stay in the States. What's going on?
Well, I looked out at the lake and I'm like, well, that looks like rain. And then sure enough, here it comes.
Yep.
And you're like, get your umbrella. And I'm like, heck no.
Our
man,
umbrella's right there.
I'm like, heck no, man. I'm going in.
She's just going in. Y'all wrapped up, ready for a snowstorm.
Oh, it's got cold. No wonder it's damp.
Yeah, she said a minute ago it's damp, but yeah.
Can you see it on the lake?
Let's see if I can. Oops. I can hear it. Oh, there's a blue heron right there, walking right in front of me.
It's a goose.
Oh, a goose. I can't see it. I don't have my glasses
It's a
on.
blue heron goose.
I just see it walking.
It's a blue goose.
Yeah, it is raining, going in now. Bye.